When we talk about media and art as bridges of understanding between Pakistan and China, we talk about a bond that is rooted in mutual trust, respect, and the vision for shared prosperity. While the initiatives like CPAC under the Belt and Road Initiative symbolizes our economic and strategic partnership, it is through art, it is through culture and media that we truly come together and we came to know and appreciate each other as people. Art and media, वो universal languages हैं that transcends borders, जो कि आपके दिलों को, लोगों को एक दूसरे के मज़ीद करीब लेकर आती हैं, जो हमें एक दूसरे को जानने का मौका देती हैं. In both Pakistan and China, we have artistic traditions that have long reflected our values, dreams and histories. चाहे वो पाकिस्तान में ट्रक आर्ट की बात की जाए या वो चाइना में चाइनीज कैलीग्राफर के ब्रशवर्क की बात की जाए, there is creativity that allows to communicate beyond words. In recent years, I have the honor to work with different embassies from Eurasian countries and different organizations from China, not exactly with the Chinese embassy directly, but through Pakistan Research Center for a Community with Shared Future and Communication University of China. I had the privilege to work on China, to work with Chinese people, to work on our friendship, on our bond. And the most important thing that I came to know is that organizing workshops and different film festivals and conferences, the most appreciated thing is the art. How we talk about our bond, how we talk about our culture, our language, our shared future. And this is actually very well appreciated. These are the experiences that have shown me once again that one single painting, one short film, one documentary, or one stage performance between Pakistani and Chinese counterparts, it could break stereotypes. It could talk a lot about our mutual understanding of each other's culture, that nurture empathy, and it opens door to friendship. I have organized 2 film festivals in the last 2 years, one in 2025 and one in 2024, in different international conferences. Along with PRCCSF, we have at Foundation University, along with Pakistan Research Center for a Community with Shared Future, we have organized a lot of poster competitions. Dr. Adam Saud has been to Foundation University, I guess, a lot of time with every conference. And this is what I have learned, that this is actually the only way to bring more closer people-to-people connection. As we are all students from humanities and social sciences, let me tell you one important thing. China has gone far beyond our expectations. As Chinese President Xi Jinping, he already has taken Global Civilization Initiative. And this is an initiative that talks about our historical bond. When we talk about historical bond, that is definitely through Gandhara civilization, where through Silk Road we had the same communication, bilateral understandings that we talk about today. Media, it has evolved into a powerful bridge, not the traditional media that we talked about all the time when chaos is a good story for media. No, we are talking about different mediums that we worked on media. For example, we talk about graphics, we talk about different illustrations that you students have worked on, we talk about documentaries, film production. A digital platform, it can tell the stories from Islamabad, it can tell the stories from, let's say, Beijing, and it could just one click away that bring our hearts more closer. Joint productions, documentaries about Silk Road, youth-led media initiatives, as Colonel Khalid Saab talked about, the different initiatives like we have internships with different universities. This is how we are going to introduce our younger generation to our historical bond, and this is how we are going to take this legacy further. I must highlight that one of the most profound historical connection between Pakistan and China, the Gandhara civilization, that is here in Pakistan. That is a treasure that we must talk about. As students of humanities, we can work about Gandhara civilization. We can talk about the unique fusion of Greco-Buddhist sculptures, travel through the ancient Silk Road and profoundly influenced Chinese art and spirituality. Today, all sort of collaborative exhibitions that we talk about Pakistan and Chinese culture, it could revive that same ancient spirit, it could go beyond words. So these actions are going to speak louder than words, and a testament to how art centuries ago and even today can build us together culturally, economically, and definitely diplomatically as well. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. In conclusion, I would say that these creative and communicative spaces through art and culture and through media could encourage our youth to tell their stories, explore each other's culture, and get more closer to each other. Thank you very much once again.